Hey, what's up, girl? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how I lay my natural low bun. The first step is I'm going to go straight into it on finished flat ironing it. As you can see, I've already started it. So I just take a small piece. First I comb it out and then I go over it about 5 or 6 times. I go over it many times to be sure that I achieve the silky look, because that's the only way I can lay my bun properly. So throughout this process of straightening my hair, I'm just going to make sure I do flat iron my entire head. First flat iron the back and then head to the front. This is what I've finished so far in the back. And now I have my back in a bun, prepping my low bun, and I'm finished flat ironing the top of my hair. This in my hand, what I'm holding is what I haven't flat ironed yet. As you can see the difference between the before and after process of me flat ironing my hair. So I just take my comb, I comb at the bottom of my hair first, heading to the top, and then I go over it. I continue going over it until it looks silky enough to lay. I do this all around my head until I'm completely finished. Now that I finished the process of flat ironing my hair, this is what the top is giving. I can go straight through it easily, so I know it's good enough to lay. So I'm just going to take out the bun that I had set in the back and comb all of my hair together and lay my hair first in a low ponytail before laying down the bun. So I just grab my rubber band and I gather all my hair together. Every piece, you know what I'm saying, and put it in a low ponytail. My growth process has grown tremendously, y'all. It definitely has grown much more now because this is an older video, but the growth is crazy. So I just grab my rubber band and I wrap it around my hair 3 times, and on the 3rd time I'm going to finish off the ponytail. And the reason why I make a ponytail before creating the bun is to make sure that I like the placement that it's in before finishing it off. And it's the ponytail, y'all. So I just wrap my ponytail around and I cup the bottom so that it looks, you know, even more natural. Like this. Yep. And I grab my rubber band and I just wrap it around and I finish off the low bun. This is my low bun, y'all. Okay, period. Natural hair. Don't play with me. Okay. So I'm just going to section out all my baby hairs. I comb out the first 2 at the top and I have 2 more at the end that I do on each side. Yep, like this. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other opposite side. Grab my edge control and lay it over my baby hairs. When I do my edge control, I be sure to lay enough and not too much so that it just covers everything. Just enough to cover everything. I'm gonna do that on both. For these, I'm going to grab my edge brush. Don't mind it, it's got a little paint on it, but we ain't gonna pay no mind to it. And I'm gonna use my pinky and my index finger to help me lay down my edges. So I just brush and I my pinky lay it down and do the same thing on both of these sides, just like that. And I got it laid down looking natural like this. So yes, and I do the same exact thing on the other side, except I use my index finger. Just like that. And that finishes that off. I do go over my edges however many times it's needed, because there's no exact amount to where you do it and it's gonna lay properly. You just gotta play with it until you get the desired look that you like. And there's that, y'all. That pretty much sums up my low bun, y'all. I need to definitely get more in tune with my natural hair because I'm good at laying wigs, braids, all that. I have many videos on that, and if you haven't checked them out, be sure to check them out. But I don't have many videos with my natural hair, and I definitely want to get more into that. So this is what it's looking like. This is the finished products. Yeah, I like it. My hair did look a little crunchy in the back, so I did decide to get my flat irons and just go over it a little bit, just so it doesn't look a little crunchy. I did decide to curl these, but I feel like I should have definitely just straightened it down. But this is the finished product. I hope that my video was very explanational to help you achieve this look as well. Thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye. Girl, that curl was not it. Bye.